Here we come to the service elevator at Clear Lake Regional Medical Center. We're actually going to fit the service and passenger elevators in together. This is the hospital I was born in. Ooh, nice sensors.
Oh, this looks nice.
Alright, 6. Whoa.
Well, that was the floor.
Alright. We'll end it at 4.
Doors open. Please enter.
Door closed does not work.
Doors closing.
Look at that sensor.
Clear.
I like the voice. Get your cabio.
Just your basic.
Looks like this used to be an Otis and then Doberman on rice. And look at the cab.
Yeah, looks like used to be Otis.
An old Otis Lexus or something. All right, I need to let this person. Keep filming.
No, you go ahead.
Alright.
Are you? Well, we
Go
go.
ahead.
Alright,
I got the door for you.
No, go ahead. I got
go ahead.
Oh, we got it. Oh, okay. All right.
She got it.
Anytime.
And now we're gonna go over to let these people go first. We'll take the next one.
That one's going down. You can push up.
We'll actually start from the down level first since we're wait for that door to close. These are also Dover Traditionals. I wonder which one it's going to be.
The Elevator Geek. You know the Elevator Geek?
Yes.
I'm pretty sure he likes this hospital. I heard from, I think, Diesel Ducey.
Oh, it's going to... which elevator will it be? We get the 3 in the frame.
It's right here. Nobody's in it.
Back ourselves. 1. Door closed one works. Get our cab view. There's Jim.
Hey!
I like the elevator. Your fixtures.
Oh, that was a horrible picture I just got.
Yeah. Alright, here we go.
Do you need the light or no?
No, I'm good. Oh, we're stopping at 4. Someone's coming on. Going up? To which floor?
Going up.
Which floor?
Fifth.
5th? 5th?
Yep. Thank you.
Here's the 5th floor.
Thank you, buddy.
You're welcome. Have a good day.
Thank you.
Going up?
This is going up. We'll catch you up later. These are your fixtures right there.
Yep.
Show the phone.
It's just that. Alright. So we're gonna pick somebody up at 5. Going down?
Yep.
Alright.
This is a busy elevator, Alex.
I know. It's low light.
Listen to that motor.
Yep. Now we got people going down. And now we're going down.
What comes up must go down.
There you go.
We're just appreciating this awesome elevator here. My friend here was born in this hospital. He just wanted to show me. I'm not gonna get your picture.
And we're... I thought we were stopping. I'll go ahead and let these people out first. It's just our main hobby. We're appreciating this awesome hospital. I'll let you guys out first. All right.
Hello.
Go ahead.
Keep going up, sir. Going up? Okay.
And
I mean, it's
there it goes.
right along the,
And that will complete the elevator tour of the central building. What do you have to say?
Hi.